What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about arc length and area of a sector, so let's get into it. So our formula that we'll use, which is given to you in the formula booklet on page 6 or the PDF page 7, is the given angle in degrees, which is represented by theta in the formula, divided by 360 times 2 pi r, where r is the radius. So angle divided by 360 times 2 pi r. So let's use it in an example. Example 1, we're asked to find the arc of the circle, or the length of the arc of the circle, with radius 2 centimeters and central angle 120 degrees. So again, just using that formula from the previous page, my length equals the angle that I'm given in degrees, 120, divided by 360 times 2 pi times the radius, which is 2. Just like many other things we've done so far this year, you can just type that whole thing in the calculator so that you don't risk rounding prematurely. And when you do that, rounding to 3 significant figures, you get 4.19 centimeters. Looking for a length here, so it's just straight up centimeters, the same units that our radius was given in. All right, the area of a sector, again, formula given to you in the formula booklet, same page. The area equals the angle divided by 360 when the angle is given in degrees times pi r squared. So if you notice, the length of the arc uses part of the circumference formula, and this one uses the area formula. They just both have the theta divided by 360. So just to kind of connect those two, but you don't, obviously, we give this to you so you don't have to memorize it. Well, let's use it in an example. Example 2, a crop sprinkler irrigates a circle with a radius of 5 meters. We're finding the area of sector BAC with radius 5 meters and central angle 120 degrees as shown in the diagram. So just kind of heads up, they'll usually name your sectors with 3 different points. The center of the circle, and then whatever other 2 points they're starting and stopping at. So they're looking for us to find this area, or the area of this sector. So using that formula, we have our angle measured as 120 divided by 360 per the formula, times pi times the radius, which is 5, squared. Again, same deal, throw it all in our calculator at the same time, round to 3 sig figs, and we get 26.2 meters squared. We're looking at area this time, so we do have to square our units.